consulate. So I live in Bangalore, so I'm going to select Chennai. So it is, you can apply between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. only, and please remember this, and accepts applications from individuals currently residing in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana and Andaman Islands. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video on how to apply Philippines e-visa for Indians. So recently Philippines have started their e-visa for Indians, and now we don't need the sticker visa. We can apply for an e-visa and travel to Philippines. So before I begin my video, share my screen, my only again humble request for you guys is 94% of you are watching my channel are non-subscribers. So kindly hit that subscribe button and support my channel. So coming back to the video, I'll be sharing my screen about 80% of this video and showing you guys on how to apply Philippines e-visa. So it's a very simple process, guys. The process will be about next 5 to 10 minutes. You'll get to know how to apply Philippines e-visa. So without wasting any time, let's go to my screen. I hope you can see my screen. So once you go to Google, just type Philippines e-visa. That's pretty much it, and just click on the first link, evisa.gov.ph. There are many fake links, guys, so please be aware of it and follow this video. This is authentic information. So just click on apply your Philippine visa, and here first of all let's check if Indians need a visa and India, and definitely traveler must apply for a visa at the Philippine embassy or Philippine consulate. So definitely we need a visa. So let's click on apply for my visa. And here, before we kind of actually do this, let me log in. I'll see if I've already logged in. I think I should have. Yeah. So let's begin with whatever information is there in the passport. Like for example, I'm just gonna give this as my channel name, Software Traveler. But whatever your passport details, please give the same, guys. And it's very obvious. Software Traveler. And if you do not have last name, please select you do not have a last name. And I am just going to leave this blank, and I'm going to select as married. If you are single, select accordingly. And I'm just going to give a dummy birth date. I'm just going to go over yeah, and yes, and this is my email address, so I've already logged in, and I'm just going to select this as India. So once you click on this and once you select 91, it is going to give you Indian flag. That means it's Indian number. So this is, I've given a dummy mobile number. Country of citizenship, I'll select India. Okay, there looks like some bug, so I'll have to probably manually select it. Yeah, and birthplace, again I have to manually select it, guys. I don't know why the search is kind of weird and it's not working. Yeah, province, city, just select as Bengaluru. Permanent address, again we'll have to probably select this manually. This is a bit irritating, I know. Yeah, and I'll just select something 560070 and proof type. I will give okay, so this is a very important thing. So you have residence permit, latest utility bill, lease or rent agreement, credit card statement of the account, bank statement with address and other documents. I prefer to give bank statement with address, guys, so I'm just going to select bank statement with address, and I'm going to upload a dummy file, but you do not do that. You upload your own bank statement with address in this month. So what you have to do is, rather than uploading a bank statement alone, in case if they reject, so go to your bank, take the bank statement of your savings account for this month and get a seal and signature from the bank, so that you can be 100% assured that your visa will not get rejected. So I'm just going to select file, and I'm going to select some file. Like for example, I'm going to select this particular dummy file just for the video, for me to proceed with the video. Okay, so we have to select the proof type, guys, and country as India. Just select India, then postal code 560070, and then proof type. Proof type I'll give it as lease or rental agreement, hotel, hostel or Airbnb reservation, other documents. So I'm just going to select hotel, hostel or Airbnb reservation, and proof I'm just going to submit with a file, and I'm going to submit the same dummy file, guys, but you upload your hostel, hotel or Airbnb reservation. So it has to be completely fully reserved, because they're going to check this information very thoroughly. So again, so this is asking for family information. So whatever is there in the passport, you need to enter the same thing, guys. So I'm just gonna select some random names, and passport type is ordinary passport, and passport travel document number. Again, some dummy number, guys, and validity date till when it is valid. So I'm just going to select 2026 December 6th, and place of issue. This again will be there in your passport. Please fill the same, and date of issue would be 2016. It would be 10 years, so it would be December 7th. Yeah, and upload a file of your passport. So let's upload our passport. And second page, but for this video purpose I'm going to upload the same thing, guys. I hope you understand, but you kind of upload your own first page and the last page of your passport. Identification type, again voters ID, national ID, military ID, Aadhaar is also there. So I'm just going to select voters ID because we have that voter ID information, and I'm just going to select YKR123456 and upload a file. So I'm going to upload the same file. And then employment information, occupation software engineer, and employment status employed, company name, and for this video purpose I'm going to give Infosys, and company address Electronic City, company contact number, again continue. Okay, there is some kind of issue. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so civil status is required. I'm just going to give it as married and male, and let's click on next. Okay, looks like something else is wrong again. Already been taken. Okay, I'll give 7. Yeah, so let's move on to the next page. So once you fill everything, just verify this. If you need to edit, you have to edit, guys, and then click on visa applications. Then new visa application, proceed, and then country of application is India. Consulate, so I live in Bangalore, so I'm going to select Chennai. So it is, you can apply between 8 AM to 4 PM only, and please remember this, and accepts applications from individuals currently residing in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Telangana and Andaman Islands. So similarly, if I select this as maybe Mumbai, so you can see currently residing in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa and Gujarat. So kindly choose your consulate accordingly, guys. So I'm going to choose Chennai because I live in Bangalore. So let's click on continue. Yeah, so it's apply for me. And if you're applying to an agent, the visa agent, he would do the same thing, and he would apply for other, and he would take 3,000 to 4,000 more, which is very obvious and which is very common. So all this information is filled. So let's verify once again and click on save. So please ensure, just verify your information, guys, so that nothing is kind of wrong. And the visa category we're applying for is temporary visit visa, and subcategory is tourism, and titles is single entries. So I only want single entries, but if you have a requirement to choose multiple entries, choose accordingly, and then click on continue. And it's asking for to upload a photo. So I have already a dummy photo, guys. So this is an AI generated photo. So I'm just going to apply click on this and apply, continue. And the port of entry I would choose as Manila T2. Because Manila is the capital of Philippines, and most flights from India, or if you're going from Bangkok, or if you're going between a transit, you would eventually land in Manila. But if you land in any other airport, please choose the airport accordingly. And length of stay I'll choose between 1 to 7 days. And arrival date in Philippines I will choose on January 2nd, and my exit in Philippines would be January 5th. So accommodation, hotel, then province, I'm just going to select Icolos Norte, municipality Adams, and then hotel name, I've just already selected some hotel name, the random hotel name, Ramada by Wyndham, Manila Central. So just select this and then click on continue. Yeah, so you have covered personal information, visa application details, upload ICO, preliminary travel information, travel history. Now, if you have travel history, kindly put the travel history. If you have gone to any foreign country, kindly mention all those. What will happen if you do this is the strength of your visa for accepting the e-visa and issuing the visa will become stronger, guys. I hope you understand. So it is very important that you fill this. I have a lot of travel history, so I'm not going to fill this for video purpose, but if you do have travel history, kindly fill this accordingly. So I'm just going to select continue. So let's answer some security questions. When have refused Philippines? No. Have you ever been arrested? No. Have you ever been affiliated? No. Have you ever been served in the military? No. Have you previously worked in Philippines? No. Do you intend to work in Philippines? No. So do not click yes, guys, because if you click yes, then you cannot work on e-visa. It's not like UAE. So if you're planning to work on e-visa, your e-visa will be rejected. Please note, have you ever been issued a Philippines visa before? It is not issued, but if you are already issued, please kindly select yes. And have you entered Philippines in the past 5 years? No. Have you under traveling company? No. Do you have a sponsor? No. And who will pay? Self. For most of you guys, it will be self. But if you're below 18 years, it may be sponsored. Have you ever stayed in Philippines before? No. Will you be able to travel to Philippines with the family, or will you be traveling with the family or friends? Kindly select yes. If yes, select yes. If no, then select no. Just assume this video is for a solo traveler. I'm selecting no. But if you are going with your spouse, kindly spouse or family members, kindly select yes. And are you under the 18 years? No. So I'm just going to select yes. Okay, something is required. Have you sponsored Philippines? No. So let's click on continue. Since you have documentary requirements. So it is asking for flight reservation, guys. Remember, flight reservation, hotel accommodation, whatever field, proof of financial capacity, bank statement, invitation letter. If you need help with invitation or cover letter, please let me know. I'll give it to you. I'll prepare this for you at a very, very reasonable cost. I've done this before. And certificate of employment, kindly attach your certificate of employment. If you are working as a software engineer, or if you're employed, kindly attach your proof of employment. Like for example, if you raise a case with your HR, they will give you a proof of employment letter. So let's add this one by one. Just for this video purpose, I'm just going to add this. I'm not going to take much of time because this video will already have become too lengthy. So file, let me attach this. Yeah, I'm going to click on continue. So it is going to ask for a digital signature, guys. So just sign and then just click on continue. And then review all your information. If your information is exactly correct, spot on and no issues, click on submit. Do you want to submit? Yes. And it will ask you for all submitted. You have successfully submitted e-visa application. You have initiated your e-visa application. So it is submitted. So after this, what happens is you will get an email. So generate invoice and payment information. So if you click on this, yeah, so if you see here, you will get a verification email on this, guys. So generated 16 December 2024, 11:49 AM. Temporary visitor visa is 3,520 rupees. Convenience fee is 2,200 rupees. Total amount is 5,720 rupees. And if you just look at this bank information, and you have all the details. So you have to make the payment. So if you go to Google Pay or Phone Pay, you can transfer through the bank. Like if you can select bank account transfer, enter this bank account number, bank details, Axis Bank, Filipinary, UTIB, and you have to upload your proof of payment. So if you apply the same visa through any visa agent, they will charge you minimum 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So whatever I showed you for free is charged 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So that is the difference. That's why I'll always tell you guys, save your own money. Don't apply through visa agents, at least for countries like Philippines, which is very easy and you can spend around 30 minutes and apply, guys. So once you upload your proof of payment, so let's say I kind of uploaded proof of payment. I don't want to upload fake document, guys. I'm not going to upload this. I'm going to cancel this. So payer's account name, payer's and reference number, you have to probably enter these details and click on submit. And finally, application will be submitted. And once your application is submitted, it will take 3 to 5 business days for them to give your e-visa. So once you have your e-visa, you don't have to worry. You don't have to bother about anything. You just have to take your e-visa and travel to Philippines. So I hope you guys saw and understood how to apply Philippines e-visa. It's very, very simple process, guys. The processing time, like I've told in my video, is around 3 to 5 business days, like you can say working days, excluding of weekends and holidays. So you will get the visa, no need to worry. So once you get the e-visa, take the printout and travel to Philippines. There is no direct flights as of now, at least not from Bangalore. So you'll have to go to either transit via Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore or Cambodia, mostly those countries. And that's pretty much it. All the documents are already submitted. You don't have to worry. You got the e-visa. Just carry e-visa. They would have verified all the documents. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope this process was very, very informative. I recommend you to share this video to the people who are traveling to Philippines or who want to know about Philippines. I hope this information really, really helped you a lot and saved a lot of money. I'll catch you guys in my next video.